Dear Apple, this is not okay. You had 2.5 years to refresh the Airpods and give us something worthy of being called the Airpods 2. Instead, you did what you always do and added some incremental upgrades in what should be called the Airpods 1S. Now, don't get me wrong, the Airpods are fantastic and these Airpods 2 are also gonna be really great, but I have some issues with it. Before we get into that, let's take a look at what's new. More magical than ever. Now with more talk time, voice activated Siri access, and the new wireless charging case. Now you can access Siri without reaching for your phone. You just have to say, "Hey Siri," and you can make a call, turn the volume up or down, play some music, and a couple of other Siri enabled features. Oh, there's a new H1 chip, which should make it 2 times faster when switching between devices, and 1.5 times faster connection for phone calls, and it has 30% less latency. Well, people don't really care about these, except the latency. Neither do people notice such improvements. How about some upgrades to what actually matters in an earphone, Apple? The sound quality. There was no improvement to the sound quality, or at least none that was mentioned. The battery life also remained the same, 5 hours of listening time and 24 hours from the case, which is still pretty good. But it's been 2 years, that's more than enough time to improve the listening time on the Airpods themselves. And the last new thing, a wireless charging case.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is finally here!
Apple says just place the Airpods on a Qi-compatible wireless charging mat. That sounds like a hint towards AirPower. What do you guys think about that? The case with the wireless charging support has an LED indicator on the front, so you'd know when it's charging. It's gonna be fun to use the Galaxy S10 to wirelessly charge the Airpods with the wireless charging case. Okay, so here's my biggest gripe with this upgrade, the so-called Airpods 2. It's been 2.5 years, and this is all Apple could come up with. It's not good enough. Apple, you had 2.5 years, and you couldn't come up with something revolutionary. This is the kind of upgrade you give yearly, not 2.5 years later, and the pricing is just absurd, especially for the wireless charging case. $79 for the wireless charging case alone. Seriously, Apple? But like almost every other Apple product, it's gonna sell like hotcakes.
It's funny because it's true.
But I would like to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel to get more awesome tech updates like this, and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post another video. Be sure to leave a like and share the video if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, guys. Encore out.